Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Burger King Zesty sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well here we go. Remember, have a bowl that's big enough for all your ingredients and your ability to stir it without it going all over the place. So let's start out. We got a half cup mayonnaise, half cup of ketchup, third of a cup of horseradish sauce, quarter cup yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice. Get that seed out of there. Then we're just going to mix this all up. There it is. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cup this up and put it on a plate. Take some awesome photos of it for social media. Put those pictures into this timeline of this video with some groovy music. And then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. Alright, there is that sauce right there. It's really nice. Not out of a packet or a little tiny 2-ounce PC portion control packet there. So here you go. I'm going to give it a taste and we'll tell you what it tastes like. Oh yeah, yeah. I wish I had an onion ring to dip in this. Went to the store, forgot to get them. Needed to put it on my list. First thing, mayonnaise, mustard. The vinegar from that mustard hit me right away. The smoothness and the creaminess of the mayonnaise. It's got a nice little bite. It would go well with an onion ring. Really wish I'd have bought onion rings. Fries, I'd even put this on my burger, dip my burger in it as well. This is a really good sauce. It tastes just like it should. I have a whole playlist of copycat recipes for fast food sauces right here. I'll put the card right there or over here. Won't know until I get into editing. I believe it's right there. Appreciate you watching today. We made Burger King Zesty sauce. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and like this video. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then share this video with everybody that you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.